Hey friends, welcome back to this short video. This is just a simple pharmacy combined with a little bit of a hospital. Just simple application designed in PHP. If I may just check this type of PHP I used. Just check, confirm that with you guys. Okay, check the PHP. Check the PHP version. Check. I use the PHP version. That's video. So that's PHP version 7.3. Roughly PHP version 7.3. Expect that. Yeah, 7.3. Good. Now this can also well work in PHP version 8. Yeah, just know that. So the system works this way. It's just simple. This is part for login. So I'm reading as administrator here, and when I log into the system, I'll go into the dashboard where I'll be in a position to have all of these other features into it. So here we have got the page users. That's today. The patients, the hospitals, and the wards we have. So when you come back to the part where we have, these are the nurses. There's a lot of few functions that I've left there. That's edit and deleting, which I'll also add for you guys there. Also have this part for the wards. I also have the part for the nurses. Very, very simple. Then manufacturer, those ones who wants to be manufacturing up the drugs. The drugs itself, the patient itself, we have the diagnosis that takes place within the system, and then we have the appointments. So let me just start up with a simple part of it, whereby I'm going to just make a simple review. I'm going to create an account. I'm going to just call it as test, and also get a user as a patient, and also call it test. Let me just call it patient, patient. So the password is patient as well. So that when I register there, I've added a new patient. I'm patient, and the password is also patient. So when a patient logs into, a patient can only be in person to patient. Let me check into that here, ready to confirm. So patient. So patient can do what? Patient will be in position to, the patient should only be in position to view to do what's called, a patient should only be in position to make appointments. And that's all. So let me just check for that. I rectify for that very fast. So for a patient, in here, in the dashboard, this is admin. So patient from here. So patient, that's nurse. So else appointment, that should be for patient. Just to make appointment. The nurses don't make, the other people don't make appointments. So if the user is equals to patient, which is this else statement, note this, my patient diagnosis. Okay, just to check again a little bit. Just confirm this again. Patient, expected it to just take me the other side. Okay, if it is not doing what I want, it's too simple. Just come back here. I'm just going to create my own else condition there, and I say if interface is equals to patient, yes, like so. So that this definitely gives me what I want. Get which is this else call statement, because not rhyming with what I thought would give me initially. So that we need to check here, meaning it's not seeing what I want it to do. Let me shake up that. Patient, Brian. We check up all the other users. Brian with a, that's a nurse. Good. The patient, I'm going to confirm that as well. This is a nurse. Patient, which is this patient here. But that should not give anything because I really have my L state condition here. That will definitely give us what we have to give within the system. So that will just give that out. Unless it's coming from somewhere else, which I'm going to rectify that as well. Okay. So this definitely comes back to us. Know what we have on ground. Okay. If I test the part for the admin, I complete all of this, then I'll get back to that. I'll rectify the part for the patient so that can drive that. So for the admin, you can as well go in and add new users. So the different users we have there are those. You can delete most of the users as well and just only leave one user. So that when you check here now, we have only one user, which is that. But I also put the part for delete here. So when you come in here, you can always add a new user. You can say maybe patient, whatever name you want to give. Select the person's nurse. You give in here 1, 2, 3. So when you add that, it goes in. So when you come back to hospital, hospitals are also here. You can as well clear everything that you want to clear off. So that also gives you that. When you come and click here, this gives you a chance to give the hospital. Okay, the hospital is also added. If you want to give the wards, come back here. Wards are here. You can as well clear up everything in the wards. So when you come back here, you can just select. So when the wards, you select the hospital you've given initially and give the ward name. Maybe it is ward A. You get? So it's just much of just little explanation as you know, school passing exams much about just a little bit of an interpreting the application. You get? So here you have to go to the manufacturers of the drugs you're going to be coming up with. Because I've done a little bit of a hospital with the manufacturer, with the pharmacist a bit, which here you have to come in, you select from here, give the type, maybe from Afghanistan, it may be cities, whatever. And then you try to add in, goes in as expected. This part for the drugs, we expect to have, you give the name and then you add the person providing it, and that's it. We should just literally added. This part for the users, we should be coming from the, so this is part for the patients, we should be coming from the patients this side. And if you try to clear all of this off, this should also go away if you don't want. And then if you check here now, we have nothing here. And if you come in here, it should be rhyming with what you might have given or what you're to give. Yes, something like this. And when you try to add into the system, it moves as expected. So the other part that might be missing now at the moment is just to look onto adding up the other part of the functionality into the system, where somebody can be known. So you've added that, you can also see here. This part for diagnosis, which you have to come in here. So this diagnosis is coming from here. And when you try to clear, you can also clear all of this. Yeah, because you are again going to be making up diagnosis of our patients. So I'm just going to try to select all of these. I try it now to clear everything like you see. And then if you come back here, you can say maybe malaria, maybe typhoid, maybe I don't know, any other. So just select that patient, and when you try to rhyme there, it should have gone the diagnosis there. Now we have the part for, that's it what I can say. The part for pay appointments also there. Appointments always done when someone wants to make appointments, and that would be the part which I recommended for our patients before even them being admitted to the hospital. But I'm going to look onto that review and again get back to you. Otherwise, thank you.